America embarks on a new chapter today. We welcome back President Donald J. Trump and First Lady Melania Trump to the White House. This moment signifies a return to familiar leadership, a leadership that prioritizes American prosperity and strength on the world stage. It's a time for optimism as we anticipate the future President Trump will forge for our nation. President Trump's return carries profound meaning for millions of Americans. His presidency resonates with those who value decisiveness, bold action, and an unwavering commitment to putting America first. The years since his first term have underscored the importance of these principles. Now, as we face new challenges, his experience and leadership are needed more than ever. We also extend a warm welcome back to First Lady Melania Trump. Her grace and elegance set a tone of dignity for the nation. Her commitment to important causes, particularly those affecting children and families, has left a lasting impact. Her presence in the White House will be a source of inspiration and stability. This is a moment for all Americans, regardless of political affiliation, to come together. The challenges ahead require a united front. Let us approach this new chapter with open hearts and a shared commitment to the success of our nation. Let us work together to build a brighter future for all Americans. President Trump's first term in office left an indelible mark on American society. His policies, often unconventional and disruptive, brought about significant changes across various sectors. The economy experienced a period of robust growth, unemployment rates plummeted, and American businesses thrived. His tax cuts provided relief to individuals and families, putting more money back into the hands of hard-working Americans. Criminal justice reform was another cornerstone of the Trump administration. The First Step Act, a bipartisan effort, addressed disparities in sentencing and offered opportunities for rehabilitation. This landmark legislation offered hope and a second chance to those who had been caught in the cycle of incarceration. It was a testament to President Trump's belief in redemption and his commitment to creating a fairer justice system. Veteran care was also a top priority during President Trump's first term. He signed legislation to improve access to health care for veterans, streamline the benefits process, and address the issue of veteran suicide. His administration worked tirelessly to ensure that those who had served our country received the support and care they deserved. On the world stage, President Trump pursued a foreign policy rooted in American strength. He challenged traditional alliances, renegotiated trade deals, and confronted adversaries with unwavering resolve. His approach, while sometimes controversial, aimed to reassert American leadership and protect national interests. The Biden administration, succeeding President Trump's first term, navigated a period marked by unprecedented challenges. The COVID-19 pandemic demanded swift and decisive action, testing the nation's resilience. President Biden's leadership, focused on science and public health, guided the country through this turbulent time. His administration's efforts to distribute vaccines, provide economic relief, and support struggling businesses were crucial in mitigating the pandemic's impact. Infrastructure investment was another hallmark of the Biden presidency. Recognizing the need to modernize America's aging roads, bridges, and transportation systems, President Biden championed the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. This bipartisan legislation represented the largest investment in infrastructure in decades, promising to create jobs, stimulate economic growth, and enhance America's global competitiveness. Climate change, a pressing global issue, also received significant attention during the Biden years. President Biden rejoined the Paris Agreement, revoked the permit for the Keystone XL pipeline, and set ambitious goals for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. His administration's commitment to clean energy and environmental protection signaled a renewed focus on combating climate change. Healthcare was another area where the Biden administration made notable strides. Building upon the Affordable Care Act, President Biden expanded access to affordable healthcare coverage, lowered prescription drug costs, and strengthened protections for those with pre-existing conditions. His administration's efforts aimed to make healthcare more accessible and affordable for all Americans. Grace and compassion. First ladies leading the way. Throughout history, First Ladies have played a vital role in shaping the nation's character and addressing critical social issues. Both Melania Trump and Dr. Jill Biden, each in their unique way, left an indelible mark on the White House and the hearts of Americans. Melania Trump, known for her elegance and grace, championed causes close to her heart. Her Be Best initiative focused on the well-being of children, addressing issues like cyberbullying, opioid abuse, and online safety. Her advocacy for children extended beyond American borders, as she traveled the world, visiting orphanages and hospitals, bringing comfort and hope to those in need. Dr. Jill Biden, an educator at heart, used her platform to advocate for education and military families. Her Joining Forces initiative, launched during her husband's time as vice president, continued to support military families, addressing issues like employment, education, and healthcare. Her passion for education was evident in her decision to continue teaching while serving as First Lady, a testament to her dedication to her students and her belief in the transformative power of education. Both First Ladies, though different in their approaches and priorities, shared a common thread of compassion and a desire to make a positive impact on the lives of others. Their contributions will be remembered and cherished for years to come. A vision of unity and progress, the path forward. As President Trump embarks on his second term, the nation stands at a pivotal juncture. The past few years have been marked by division, uncertainty, and unprecedented challenges. Yet, amidst these difficulties, we have also witnessed remarkable resilience, innovation, and a renewed appreciation for the bonds that unite us as Americans. President Trump's return to the White House presents an opportunity for a fresh start, a chance to bridge divides and forge a path toward a brighter future. It is time to move beyond the partisan gridlock that has hampered progress and embrace a spirit of collaboration and compromise. The challenges we face, from economic inequality to climate change to healthcare, demand solutions that transcend party lines and prioritize the well-being of all Americans. President Trump's leadership, rooted in a deep love for America and a commitment to its people, can be instrumental in uniting the nation. His ability to connect with Americans from all walks of life, to understand their hopes and aspirations, will be crucial in fostering a sense of shared purpose. By listening to diverse voices, by seeking common ground, by working together, we can overcome the challenges before us and build a stronger, more prosperous, and more united nation. Hand in hand, building a brighter future. The task ahead will not be easy. It will require patience, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace new ideas and different perspectives. But we must never lose sight of the fundamental ideals that have guided our nation since its inception: liberty, equality, opportunity, and justice for all. Let us approach this new chapter with a renewed sense of hope and optimism. Let us embrace the challenges ahead as opportunities for growth and transformation. Let us work together hand in hand to build a brighter future for ourselves, our children, and generations to come. This is the promise of America, a promise that we must strive to fulfill each and every day.